Hi there guys, I'm going to now show you how to upload a video in YouTube. There are actually simple steps on how to do that. So first of all, you need to go to the website youtube.com. Alright, so as you can see, it's now loading. And then basically you need to go to this icon here. So you need to actually log into your account first. Into your YouTube account or to your Gmail account. And then after that, click on that small icon right there at the top right menu. And then choose on YouTube Studio. Alright, it's going to take you to this page here. And then if you can notice, you can see there an upside arrow there. So you can just click on that. Alright, there are actually two ways on how to upload a video. It's either you're going to click on this button that says select files. Apparently you're going to select a file from your computer, or you can do the drag and drop option. You can open your Explorer, your Windows Explorer, and then you can just drag the file like that. Alright, that's how you can do it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and just like my video. And if you have any video tutorials in mind, just let me know in the comments below, and have a good